All right, hello. I just wanted to take a quick moment to welcome you to the spring semester and your Introduction to Fermented Foods class. I will be your instructor for this semester, and I just wanted to take a quick moment as we head into the weekend, or for some of you, you might see this on Monday or Tuesday, and just give you a heads up about a couple of things. So we are headed into a 3-day weekend before we actually start the spring semester. So it is important for you to know that CWI is closed on Monday. So our classes officially start on Tuesday, and you are registered for my Tuesday fermentation course. So you do want to make sure that you plan on attending class in the Aspen Classroom building in room 104 during your designated course time. So in the meantime, I encourage you, when classes open on Tuesday at 12:01 a.m., that you pop into Blackboard and that you do a little bit of navigating through the course materials and check out the course syllabus and just some different things associated with this specific class. I will, however, say, don't feel any pressure to do that on Tuesday if you don't want to. I will spend some time during class definitely talking about some of the logistics around this specific course and the things that you need to know as we start navigating through the spring semester. So with that, I just want to say welcome. I'm really excited to have you in class. This is one of my favorite classes to teach, and I hope that as you come to class on Tuesday, you will just see how much excitement I have for the subject matter, and as we look at the course schedule and the different things that we'll be learning throughout the semester, I hope that you find that there's a lot of really fun ways to learn the information that we'll be presenting within this specific course. So with that, I just want to give a quick welcome, say hi, say that I look forward to seeing you in class on Tuesday. And if you have any questions in the meantime, if there's something that you're really dying to know before Tuesday, feel free to shoot me a quick email, and I'd be happy to address those questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. See you later.